I enjoy every video that I make on this channel, and certain ones certainly get me more excited than others, and this one in particular has really got me excited. This is Ducky's new SA profile keycap set, and they have seemingly done away with the insane, super expensive price point that typically surrounds going with SA keycaps. So with that, let's check these out. Secret Lab combines best-in-class materials, a plethora of finish options, and industry-leading comfort to provide the ultimate seating experience. With models for users of all sizes and aesthetic tastes, there's sure to be a chair for any setup. Click the link in the description to find out which chair is right for you. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brainbean here again. Like I mentioned, Ducky has put out two new SA profile keycaps. Now, these aren't quite available to buy yet, but they will be on mechanicalkeyboards.com. I'll have links for you guys down in the description, and they are coming very, very soon, so just keep an eye out for that. I'll probably make an announcement on Twitter or something too, just to let you guys know. But looking at the keycaps themselves, there's going to be two different colorways available right now. The first one is called Horizon, which is what you see in this video. Now, it's going to be a nice dark navy blue on the alphanumeric keys as well as the space bar, and inside that is a nice big bold font, which is very typical of the SA style of keycap, and these are in a center oriented character with a nice bright Caribbean blue. Now if we look over, there's some accent keycaps as well that you can swap out. These are going to be in just like a nice bright orange with a white font on the inside. They do give you a WASD, so if you want to have that sort of pop out for like a more gamery look, you could do that. They also give you an escape key as well as a little Ducky logo to put up on anywhere on the top row, but ideally you'd put it on the escape key, as well as an enter key to swap out, and the enter key for the number pad too. Now the final color on here is sort of like a nice dark slate gray with the orange that you see on the orange keycaps. Kind of brings it all together. Really, really nice colorway. I'm really impressed with this one. The second colorway is called Cotton Candy. I have some pictures for you guys to check out on this one. It's a bunch of like nice pastel colors and yellows, blues, pinks, I think an orange, and overall that set looks really nice as well. I plan on picking that up because the best part about these keycaps is that they're 60 bucks for a set of 108. And I challenge you guys to look around on anywhere that you can buy SA profile keycaps to try to find a deal like that, because it's very, very hard. If you look at my Max Key Lime keycaps here, I paid 150 bucks for this set. Now part of that is because there's some novelty keys and I needed the smaller space bar or a shift key and stuff like that, which is the first issue that I have with this keycap set. Because you get it in a set of 108 keys, it's only going to fit a standard layout. Now the extra 4 keys that they give you are for the ones that go above the number pad on something like the Ducky 1-2 or the Ducky Shine 7, which would be like that little calculator button and the volume control keys. And I think it would have been really great if they had included just a smaller shift key so that you could use this on the Ducky 1-2 SF, which is a super popular keyboard of theirs, and me personally, I love 65% keyboards. That being said, that's really the only gripe I have with this keycap set. If you look at the actual quality of the keycaps themselves, and you compare it to something like my Max Key set that I have, they're virtually identical. Same thickness, they're both made out of ABS plastic, which is the standard type of plastic to make SA profile keycaps with. Same thickness, they're double shot, feel nice and solid. Of course, because they are ABS, you will get a little bit of shine developed on these keycaps over time. That just kind of goes with the nature of these types of keys. Same spherical sort of profile on the keys in terms of the concave, and the overall typing and experience in using them is no different than the super expensive set. So I think with all that considered, I mean, Ducky really nailed a slam dunk with this one. The colorways are great, the quality is great, the look, the feel, no different than super expensive sets. But now the best part about this is that, you know, for what it is, I mean, SA profile is sort of a love it or hate it kind of thing. Some people really, really swear by it and they won't use anything else. Other people get it and they say it feels like typing on toys, it's way too high, they just don't like it. And because a lot of those sets are very expensive, that's kind of a risk to take. But now with these being only 60 bucks, you can dive into it and give them a try without feeling like you're really putting a whole lot on the line. I think that's the best part about this set. So with that, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. Again, you'll be able to find these on mechanicalkeyboards.com. I'll have a link down in the description below for you. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these colorways is your favorite. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, so we've got a lot more videos like this coming for you in the near future. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.